Are your apparel sales slowing down? We all know that t-shirt sales can have its ups and its downs. But what if I told you there was a way to keep money flowing in even on those slow days when there is no t-shirt sales? You can add digital income stream to your business by selling resellable Canva templates. And the best part about this, you have no inventory, you have no shipping, you actually can start with $0. If you follow the step-by-step that I'm going to give you, you'll be able to make 100% profit over and over every time because the work is done one time. I was able to generate over $50,000 doing the exact same steps. So I'm going to show you how you can get already made Canva templates that gives you the resale rights to use. And I'm going to show you how you can list these on StanStore in just a few minutes. And if you follow these steps, you would start making money instantly from your audience and your customers, even when there's no t-shirt sales. So if you're ready for it, go ahead, hit the like button on here. Let's jump into the video. As an apparel decorator, you're already working with designs every day. But the thing here is that you feel as if, man, this is my design. I'm not going to share it with anybody. That might be true, but the possibility of people using those same designs is going to bring you more money than you can imagine. Truth of the matter, there are beginners that are coming into this industry every single day and they just don't know how to design. If you're ahead of the game, you can literally take advantage of this and start making extra income. I've already done this, so I want to give you the exact process. So I'm going to make this so easy for you. There is a link down below that's going to give you access to my templates, resellable rights, so you can literally start activating this right away. So when you hit that link down below, it's going to take you to this Canva template right here that I give you access to. So everything that you see in this folder that you will have access to, you can now resell. And all your customers will have to do is basically change these up, change the text, change the color, and make them your own. So for example, these are just the memorial templates that you will have access to, right? So what you can do, for example, let's say your customer gets this, or you get this, because once you download it, you can use it or you can resell it. So I'm going to take this right here. Imagine this being my customer, and now they're going to grab this and they want to rechange this or resell this. All they have to do right now is to bring in their client's pictures into these. So I'm going to come over to the left side and upload. Let's just imagine I'm going to upload this image right here. Okay, so let's say this is our person that we want to add into this. All right, so you would need Canva Pro for these. And you can see this comes in with a background. So with the Canva Pro assets, I can just remove the background here. And now this background is removed on this template. You can do one image. If you wanted to add another image, you could. I'm going to bring this in, get rid of some of those pixels on the side. All right, so to make this match our template, I'm going to edit this and make this picture a black and white image. I'm going to come up here to the edit button. So I'm going to click on filter here. I'm going to find the black and white filters. Let's go for this one right here. And just like that, we just changed this image right here to a black and white image. And then if you want to change the text, you can as well. Truly missed, or whatever you wanted to say. This is yours, and you're giving access to your clients now to do the same exact thing. Okay, so here it is, forever in our heart. You want to type a name here, you can say it. Let's just say her name is Ashley May. All right, so that's her name right there. You can change the date and everything. Now this is a template that's ready to download and print, or your clients can, or you can take all of these templates right here, the full bundle, and be able to resell these. Okay, so even if you don't want to change anything here, I'm just showing you the possibility that your clients are able to have when they get the same templates that you sell them. So all you'll do right now, you'll make a copy here. If you want to sell these templates just as they are, go up here, make a copy of this. Hey, apparel decorators, if you're looking for a way to start your t-shirt business and you just don't know where to start, I want to introduce you to this free guide that I created down below in the description. You can download this guide, go through it. There's actually clickable links on the machines, the softwares, the transfer companies, everything that I use daily to build my t-shirt business. I included it into this guide, and it's included for you down below, 100% free. All you have to do is jump into the description, click that link, download this guide, and go through it. And if you have any questions, you can then reach out to me. Information is all in the description. One of the biggest things that you're going to struggle with in the t-shirt industry is designing. Finding the perfect design for you to be able to make money faster than anybody else. Because I've been in this industry for years, I have a library of designs that I created and give you lifetime access to. So we call this the Design Hub. The Design Hub is loaded with high quality, ready to print PNG files. And I'm talking everything from sports to faith-based holidays. Everything is included in this drive. You can get lifetime access to the Design Hub by just checking out the link down below in the description of this video. Again, if you need designs to start printing t-shirts today, just go ahead and check out the link down below, the Design Hub. All right, so once you make a copy, here's the copy right here. To go ahead and share this, to get the link that you need to actually sell it to your clients, you're going to come up here. This is the Canva Pro template. You're going to find where it says template link. This one right here. Now, this link right here is what I'm going to copy and make sure this is the access my clients are going to get. All right, so the templates will be down below. You can grab the templates right out of the link down below. Again, I've already created these for you. You can use them. We have memorial templates. We have graduation templates. And we'll be making a bunch more. All right, as we update them, I will drop a video or I'm going to leave it down below in the description. So now that you already have the digital templates that you downloaded from the link down below, you're going to sell these using a stand store. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to build a stand store and how you can list these products so that your customers can get them instantly. For example, they could be on your Instagram and they comment a special word using another program called ManyChat, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Then as soon as they comment that, they get the link instantly. So this is exactly how you're going to set up your stand store. So I'm going to do this right off of my page so you can see the possibility. Like I said, I've made this amount right here, over 56K, and this is the amount right now that's waiting to be cashed out. When it comes to apparel decorating, you need a partner that is going to make life easy for you. Not ordering a brand new printer, not stressing because this printer broke and the printer doesn't work. This is where TKO sales come into play. And TKO, thank you for being the sponsor of this video. If you need transfers, all types of transfers, DTF transfers, screen printed transfers, hybrid transfers, all transfers, TKOsales.com got your back. They've actually taken all of the work out of your hands and making it possible for you to just press t-shirts in 7 seconds or less. All right, just go ahead, check the description, TKOsales.com, and let's get back to the video. You can see this is my account right here. My name is right up top here, ErastusSnorweah. But this is what you would do. You would grab your Stan Store account. I'm going to leave a link down below to grab Stan, and then what you're going to do, come up here to where it says My Store. All right. So under My Store, if you have a brand new account, it will look the same. Under My Store, these are the products that you can have listed. You're going to come up here to where it says Add Product. Okay. So once you hit the Add Product, these are all the different things that you can offer at Stan. So what you would do here, come to Digital Product, because this is what we're going to sell over here. And now over Digital Product, this is where you will list that product. Over here, for example, the thumbnail you will put in, what is it? So you're going to make this, let's say you say memorial template, okay? And you fill in the information here. And then the next step is, you scroll down, it will tell you next step. Hit the next step right here. This is where now you're building the sales page for this. You can use ChatGPT to help you create the sales page here, but basically don't overcomplicate this part. Just tell the people exactly what they're going to have, right? So you can type in here, change the name, whatever you want to say, memorial template bundle, okay, just name it, and then in here tell them what they get. Editable templates. Right, you can add in more information there, but for the sake of this video, that's all I'm going to put. And then tell them a little bit more, and you can add a image right here. Go up here, add new, and then you can add an image. For example, let's say this is my image right here. All right, just add this as an image. For example, you can create your image, and once they come onto the sales page, this is what they will see. Okay, so you're going to give it a price. right? For me, my templates, because I'm giving them to you as a resale rights, the link is in the description. I'm going to name this, maybe we'll say 20 bucks, right? You can say 17 bucks, whatever you want to make your template to cost. And then people will come in here, they will fill in this information. Now, this is how you would deliver it in step 5 right here. You can send a redirection link, right? Or you can put it in a PDF. I'm going to do a redirection link right now. Remember this Canva link right here that we created. We're going to copy this. And then we'll jump back over into Stan and drop that in. Okay, that link that we just copied right here is where we're going to put that link. So once customers ordered and they get the information, immediately they will get a link sent to them, and this will be this link right here. This is where the magic is. In the option button here, you're able to upsell them. So if you have other products, you can add it in here as an upsell. This is where the money really is. So if you have both templates, for me, I have the memorial template and the graduation template. So when you're buying one, I'm going to upsell you to the other one. This is really where the money is. All right, so you can add an upsell. You can see right here it tells you, oh, you can grab that, or maybe a video course. Whatever you want to make the upsell to be, you can do that. All right, so then you can add some information in the confirmation here. This is the confirmation email they're going to get. Sometimes I will add information of other products within my confirmation email here, and others sometimes I don't, right? So that's basically that. And then once you're done, you just publish it. I'm going to save it as a draft right now because I don't want to publish it onto my store. It's going to end up right at the bottom right here. So this is it right here. And now when customers ordered, they get this exact product on your store. Now, how do you actually sell these templates, right? How I sold mine, or how I sell it, is basically right off of Instagram, Facebook, wherever social media I'm using right now. I create little videos and telling people, hey, this is the templates that you need. If you want to grab these, this is the name, you got to comment this. Like, I'm going to actually throw a video right here. I'm going to have my editor throw a video here that will show you a reel exactly how I was able to sell these. If you got any questions, drop it down in the comment. I will leave all of the links down below in the description here so you can grab these templates that you have resale rights to. You can also go ahead and create your Stan store. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to grab Stan for free. And if you have any question, you get stuck anywhere, please reach out, comment on this video, share it with somebody else.